Welcome to the Queen of AI, the podcast where feminine power meets cutting-edge tech. I'm LeeNor, entrepreneur, creator, and your go-to girl for building with confidence in a digital world. No fluff, just bold conversations, future-forward tools, and real strategy. Ready to own your era? Let's go.
Welcome back to the Queen of AI, where powerful women lead with both innovation and intuition. I'm your host, LeeNor, and today's topic is one I think we're all quietly feeling, even if no one's really talking about it. AI burnout. The pressure to keep up with new tools, master new platforms, stay relevant, and build at lightning speed. It's real. And if you found yourself avoiding tasks, feeling stuck, or asking, what's the point? While watching another AI tutorial go viral, I see you. You're not lazy. You're not behind. You're just overloaded. And this episode is your permission slip to come back to your center and to integrate AI from a place of power, not pressure. Part 1. What is AI burnout? And why high-achieving women are so vulnerable to it. AI burnout isn't just tech fatigue, it's identity fatigue. It's the feeling of, I'm falling behind again. Everyone else has it figured out. If I take one day off, I'll be irrelevant. We're being bombarded with content, tools, and hype, while still running our businesses, managing teams, being leaders, creators, daughters, partners, humans. And here's the truth. The women most likely to feel this are the ones already carrying the most. Part 2. The feminine nervous system. Wasn't built for the productivity loop. Let's talk about the hypermasculine productivity loop. The one AI promises to fix but often worsens. More automations means more pressure to scale faster. More tools means more systems to manage. More potential means more anxiety that you're not doing enough. The result? A completely dysregulated nervous system. What we actually need isn't more speed, it's more discernment. Discernment is your new productivity tool. Part 3, 3 signs you're in AI burnout and what to do about it. 1. You're signed up for 10 tools and use none of them. Solution, pick one use case, one tool, one outcome. Stick to that for 30 days. Example, just use Scribe to document SOPs. That's it. 2. You start your day on Instagram, doom scrolling other people's productivity. Solution, create before you consume. Even one voice note, blog draft, or idea sketch before checking feeds can reset your rhythm. And 3, you're constantly learning but feel less clear than ever. Solution, set a 1-week application sprint. No tutorials, no downloads. Just apply one thing you've already learned. Part 4, reclaiming your power, the new way to lead with AI. AI isn't here to replace your intuition. It's here to amplify your embodiment. You don't need to be everywhere. You need to be intentional. You don't need to master every feature. You need to know your strengths. Here's your new framework. Lead with intuition, align with impact, support with AI. Tech works best when it's supporting a centered woman, not when it's pulling her out of herself. Part 5, your realigned action plan, no burnout required. If you're ready to reconnect and realign, here's what to do this week. Audit your tech stack. Eliminate 3 tools you haven't touched in 60 plus days. Designate one AI-free work block per week. Creative time only. Use AI to support your nervous system, not stimulate it. Try using ChatGPT to write a love letter to your future self, summarize your vision, and create calming affirmations tailored to your goals. This isn't about stepping away from AI, it's about coming back to yourself through it. If this episode felt like a breath of fresh air, share it with another queen who's feeling the pressure to keep up. We weren't built to compete with machines, we were born to lead them. Follow, leave a review, and tag me at Life with LeeNor if this resonated. I'd love to hear how you're reclaiming your rhythm, your brilliance, and your energy. You've been listening to the Queen of AI, and the truth is, your power was never in the tools. It's always been in you.